Ferret. Ferrets are small mammals known for their long, flexible bodies and playful nature. They originally come from Europe and have been domesticated for many years. Ferrets are curious and love to explore their surroundings. Baby ferret. Baby ferrets, also called kits, are very energetic and playful. They are born small and depend on their mother in the early stages. As they grow, they quickly become active and start exploring everything around them. Adult ferret. Adult ferrets are fully grown and develop unique personalities. They are more independent but still enjoy playing and interacting with their owners. At this stage, they are easier to train and handle. Ferret behavior. Ferrets are known for their curious and mischievous behavior. They love to dig, hide, and explore small spaces. Understanding their behavior helps owners take better care of them. Ferret diet. Ferrets are carnivores, which means they mainly eat meat. Their diet includes high-protein foods specially made for them. A proper diet keeps them healthy and active. Ferret cage life. Ferrets are often kept in cages but need plenty of space to move around. They enjoy tunnels, toys, and soft bedding. A good cage setup helps keep them comfortable and happy. Ferret playtime. Ferrets need daily playtime outside their cage to stay active. They enjoy running, chasing toys, and interacting with their owners. Regular playtime helps prevent boredom. Ferret sleeping habit. Ferrets sleep for many hours during the day and are most active at certain times. They can sleep deeply and may seem very still. This is a normal part of their routine. Ferret training. Ferrets can be trained to use a litter box and follow simple routines. They learn through repetition and rewards. Training helps make them easier to manage as pets. Ferret care. Ferrets require regular care, including cleaning, proper feeding, and health checkups. They also need attention and interaction to stay happy. Good care ensures a long and healthy life.